Good morning, DJ. It is Monday, December 29th. The time is currently 9:20 a.m. It is a bloody good morning, DJ. A lot of changes here. But let's get straight into it. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. We're back now. Year is coming to an end. The month is coming to an end. Woo! What a year it's been, 2025. Incredible. Woke up today at 8:04. Let's not talk about it. I did get my morning routine in though. Just arrived at my desk when I started this. I'll say 9:20. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in. Feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us this morning. Excited to continue this growth journey I'm on. Excited to, oh, so it's kind of matching up with um seasonal tendency. Sorry, looking at the high time frame. Always get distracted there. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News, risk disclaimer. Yeah, news. We have news today. We have high impact news coming out at 8:30, which is delayed. I don't know if it came out or not. We have high impact news coming at 10:30, medium at 10, 12, and 4:30. So we have news today. All right, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going in today, we are 0.5, as you know. All right, and the max is 1.5. Weekly program going to this week is a buy program. All right, everything is saying buy except seasonal tendency. So usually when that happens, price tends to go along with what the seasonal tendency says. But it will be interesting to see how this week plays out. Right, so let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that for us here. I'm the trader. Yeah, DJ. These are the changes I'm talking about, man. So I got True Dark like night glasses, and obviously I was gonna use it for my for the screens, but it's only for nighttime. And I adjusted my screens in accordance to that because all you see is red, right? So I changed everything to black and white. I couldn't see any colors, so everything is black and white. But now I have to get a daylight glasses, all right, and not and use those just for nighttime. But long story. Is what it is. It was time for a change anyway on these charts. Remember, I was trying to edit it the other day, but I just couldn't, come together with anything. But I'll take this for now. Dollar bill, yeah. All right. We're in discount with dollar. All right. Like I said, my draw was this liquidity into the remainder of this inefficiency. I deleted just to keep the charts a bit clean. All right. We have an info. We drew it twice. We have this inefficiency here that I want to see keep price lower, all right, to come and take this sell side and fill in the remainder of this inefficiency and obviously take the sell side into this inefficiency should it want to continue lower. But for now, risk on scenario, I mean in dollar lower or other asset classes should be going higher. T-bonds rallying a little bit higher, right? We took buy side here. Failed to take these relative equal lows. We do have, we're taking these buy side. We also have buy side here into this inefficiency here. Okay, I'm gonna hold off that for today. We'll see what tomorrow brings on that one. M and Q. We didn't make it to the volume imbalance up here yet, but as you can see, price is retracing, potentially going to take a sell side here into the remainder of this inefficiency, and then potentially carry on the rally higher. My draw is still these relative equal highs into this inefficiency. We do have SMTs here on the highs, where ES took his highs but down, and NASDAQ didn't take that high. So paying attention to that as well here. But as far as my current understanding goes, all right, nothing's really happened in price, DJ, to change my weekly program. I'm elect to stick with it. I can't really change my mind until I say until Wednesday, until I see Wednesday's price action. Oh yeah, DJ, black and white, we out here. That's this week's. Let's see if 20-day needs adjusting. We're good on 20-day. Previous week. Previous month is good. We need today. Everything black and white. It's the same. These are the glasses I was talking about, DJ. True dark night glasses, but supposed to have daytime. Didn't do my research. But all I see is red. That's why we needed the black and white. Anyway, about 3 minutes on this candle here. Am I tripping? I'm tripping it. You know, it's good. So I have literally no color, DJ, on my shit. No color whatsoever. 39.45. Ding 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 da. Ding 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 da. Can't see to see if it's taken or not, you know. It's crazy out here in these streets. Can't black on that again. Oh, okay, the high is here, so cool. Didn't take it. Going back under. Yeah, definitely need to get daylight ones. I'm gonna keep this setup though. I kind of like it. No, not gonna lie, I kind of like it. We'll get rid of the borders here. I think I can get rid of the borders here. Hold on a minute. Missed that one. Oh, it's all right. We caught it. Do take this 1 minute loads here. We had the high, but I didn't forgot to draw the low here. That's all good. Then we have a 1 minute buy as well here. Okay, cool. That is all good. I'm happy I witnessed it. Be at 50 now. And this would be at break even with one more left to take off because it's a pro trend trade. Yeah, I can't believe I missed that low there. That's all good. It's all good. I caught it. That's all that matters. Daily range high is in line with the opening range, new week opening gap. Left a portion of it open, which is what we want to see in terms of characteristics that we're on side. The fair value gap that is created near or around the high, the market that causes the market structure shift. Respect for that fair value gap is what we want to see. Once I get the daytime one, I'm gonna get some color bucket in the like the highs and the lows. Yes, just so I like those colors. Just have to get rid of it for this thing right here. Just want to see those colors anyway. Looks like it has a wick that I'm not getting. Tripper. Oh, that's just the lines in it. Yeah, I guess. Tripper. Watching that. Not the low. That's not the low. See, oh, which color confirms this, innit? That's me. I'm gonna blame these glasses. Okay. DJ, I'm gonna blame these glasses. I also want some color up in this bitch, you know? Daytime ones is a must. Mm, for sure. Watch it on the, let's leave it on the 15 seconds. So we can keep the M1 clean. But that's -1. All right, it's a counter trend trade, so 50% of the trade will be coming off. Stop at 75. Hmm? Okay, be safe. Yeah, the only thing that's going to change, DJ, is I'm going to put some color on the lines so I know if it's a high or low, right? But 'cause right now I can't tell if it's a high or low if I have the colors with these glasses. That's why they also have the you know what they are on the side here because I can see those. But I like having color, a little bit of color. I don't mind the background being white and the candlestick, the black and the white. All right, that I'm good with. I don't mind that. It was time for a change. All right, I need to just switch it up from the blue and gray. Oh, it will be back one day, right? But it's good to switch it up. I think every quarter maybe I'll try something different. So this will be for going into January, right? Arrrr. Just need some color up in this bitch and then we'll be straight here. It would be in here, all right? Because stop is at 7.5 here. How you feeling? Hmm? If you're gonna wait, I'm done here. That's my morning done right there, isn't it? I'm seeing like 40, 50 minutes in, I'll be done. Needs to be the going trendy. Hold on, we still got 45 seconds on that. He hasn't taken it yet. 30 seconds on that candle. We're still good on where is that right now. We're good on that low. I won't be interested until this high goes on the M1. Right? It's a session counter trend trade because when we came in here, we were taking this low, right? Meaning we took sell side, meaning session wise is bearish bias anyway, session bias. But for 9:30, obviously, we still haven't taken either side of the dealing range. I guess high maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna take losses, sorry. Still the thing promised. Into the one that'll slow down. Would have been smashed out that there. Nothing wrong with that. Would already be in my 2 trades already, isn't it? It's high here. They're all the same high. What did you draw over Friday's line? I don't do that anymore. What do you do? I'll have to tell you after. Mm. But yeah, you would draw over Friday's line. No, because that's not what the teacher does. But that's what you do. That's what you've been taught to do. My education is not complete. Mm-hmm. Education. Don't yawn. What are you mumbling over there? Okay. I targeted previous week's low right here, right below dealing range. And the new week opening up from last week. There's still a portion of it from previous week's low. This portion is, still a gap. No price action there. Above that low here. Into the money, they slowed down. Oh, mommy over here. Look at that. Exterminate. That's -2. 80% of the trade would be off at this point, and stop goes to 50. Mhm. You remember how I taught you to do the daily range? From 12 a.m. to current time? Do you remember or you don't remember? Okay, start doing that.
Wait, let me see if I remember. I have to put out the swing.
Mhm.
I have to-
The lowest low and the highest high from 12 a.m. to your current time.
I have to. Just says.
Where we at in there?
At the bottom.
What's that?
I don't know, just kind of bring in one of them.
Babe, you need to know these things.
Where is it?
Okay.
Just playing with one.
All right, you keep playing the fool then. About to take daily range low out. We don't joke around here about these candlesticks. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I would be interested here. We've taken M1, taken sell side, we're in discount of the range, it's a full trend trade. 1 minute right here. Potential entry here on the 1 minute. And we would have been taken out of this one. Oh no, would have been taken out a long time ago at entry over here. After 4 partials. What was it? Uno, dos, tres. Yeah, 4 partials. Not including the half standard deviations if you wanted to take something out there too. Hmm? What? What you said? Say it loud and proud so the people can hear you.
Not on DJ.
Eh?
They don't pay me for a feature. DJ.
Oh shit.
Then I'm talking about the jokes.
Yeah. Very good jokes, isn't it?
Yeah. They don't pay us. You see, I can't place an order on my Express account.
Why? I thought you blew that.
$80 to go, but I can't even get in one trade.
Why?
It tells me limit order rejected. Your account is currently set to liquidation only due to low net liquidating value.
So it's done. Did you check on your dashboard?
No,
Or you need to check on your dashboard, see if it's done or not. From that sound, it sounds like it's done.
that's what they've been telling me for 2 days now. Trading Express. No, I'm still trading my Express. I have $11 to go.
$11? So where did the 80 come from?
Because I thought I had to go to minus 2K, but I have to go to minus 1901.24.
Yeah, remember the trail your ass?
Yeah. Yeah, because I was supposed to blow my account, but they capped me out because I did minus 694 on my last day to blow it. And now they're just gonna what? If that was the case, then I might as well have kept it.
I don't know why you tried to blow it anyway.
I don't like this top step bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
I might as well just let it go. They're gonna take it away in 30 days anyways.
That's what they said.
No, I'm saying, don't they?
I have no freaking clue.
You're tough
Speaking
step's
about
biggest
tough step,
advocator.
I need to take a trade on this account here. Before they give me some BS. It's like it'll come all the way down here. They've been getting a lot of bad reviews recently. I don't know what they got going on.
Make sure you title this DJ Top Step Sucks.
No, I'm not doing that.
That's how you get views. Clickbait.
Nah, I don't want clickbait. If you found me on YouTube, you found me for a reason, all right? Stay tuned. Stay with us. Oh, I'm gonna get them to do this on the trading floor. My hedge fund. You don't know, it's from Wolf of Wall Street. You wouldn't know.
And I don't know if I'm gonna be at that show. That's the most important part of this conversation. I don't I'll be able to make it. Because I won't be doing that.
Yeah, it can leave relative equal lows right for a later day, later time, maybe lunchtime. It's gonna come and take it, or maybe PM session, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe it just leaves it for the whole week. Or you can come take it right now. Either way, we've had two solid trades that gave you, oh, what did this one give? Negative 2.5, negative 2. I would have took something out before we got here, 5 and 5, right? Negative 2.5, negative 4. And a 1 minute trade, I gave you negative 2. This trade head into negative 1. Yeah, would be out. Yep, negative 1 right there. Stop goes to 75. That's 3 beautiful trades this morning. How many do you want? How many can you see? That's the better question. How many can you see and what's your goal for the day, right? Because once you hit that goal, or for the week, that's it. You don't need to be in the markets. You have to have control of yourself. Because if you don't, you're going to go wild up in this bitch. Yeah, but solid morning here. Won't stay too long because we've seen all that we need to see. That would be my morning already. So there would be no need for me to continue to be in front of the charts. Yeah, exactly. You heard that? I have to make breakfast. Because somebody brought their partner to work today.
That was the first half of the morning.
Mm-hmm. You seen any subs yet that you would take?
I saw one.
Where? What time?
Below. 10:14.
All right.
I tried to get in, but order rejected. Your account is set to liquidation
Wait.
only.
10:30 low. I mean, open range low.
Yeah.
You would.
10:14.
Oh, okay. On the 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay, that's fair.
That's my trade that my teacher taught me. Post 10:15, opening range.
Yeah, but on the 15 minute, your low wouldn't have been confirmed yet. But
That's
on,
okay, that we can get with that later.
okay,
That doesn't always work out.
that's fair. The 1 minute is a fair trade there. That's the trade I'm watching right now.
Teacher.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful stuff here. Lovely jubbly. We love it here. We love it here. Oh, this is okay. Coco. That's why. So confusing. Especially with this damn glasses on. Fucking hell, me. We'll see what. I don't even know if I want to see 1050 macro. You know what I'm saying? We'll see what 1030 brings. Post 1030. My stomach's starting to growl. So Oh no, it's accurate. Did I mind if they shut down? There will be nothing here because we don't take M1 liquidity. So nothing here on the 15-second chart or sell for me here. A5 technical. That's -2 there. Another 30% of the trade, so 60% of this trade would be off. And stop would be at 50. Because it's a pro trend trade. DJ, are you not entertained? You need to see any more? It's gonna be crazy 2026 out here in these streets. We're ready for you 2026. Come on, man. Let's go. We have taken M1 liquidity rate above this key level now. So if we take a 15 seconds low, I would be interested in a sell.
-1 for baby trader.
Yeah, she's done. I am. That's all she needs. That's all she needs. But I'm a supercharge her soon. Get into the money, no, they slow down. Oh, we gonna be alright. We gonna be we just, It would have come and taken you out here, so I can get rid of that. Keep the charts a little clean. Look at clean. Ooh wee. 2026, we coming. Baby scared, bro. Because I'm coming like a hurricane, an earthquake, a tornado, all of that. Coming from my retribution.
Spell that.
Hmm?
Spell retribution.
R-E-T-R. Exactly.
TLN. Sentence, mate. Show me $1,000, mate. What if I have a gift card that has $50, but my total is 51? Can I use it?
Yeah, you just have to pay the difference. All right, I'll be interested there. So let's watch that. Be a last trade for us to watch today. I like that we're leaving is it leaving a portion of it open really though? Yep, it is. I like that we're leaving a portion of that inefficiency open there. I would like to see it stay open, but even if it gets filled like this, doesn't mean that it's done for. What are you buying now?
That's perfume this store. Value on sale for 70, and I have 30% off, so it's 53.90.
And you have a $50 Visa gift card.
I don't think it's gonna work though, because it's not like Amazon where you can enter the numbers and then pay the difference. So let's find out.
Sure. Watching this last trade here, DJ, and we'll be done. We gonna be just fine. We gonna be just. We gonna be all right. No.
Like, I don't think it would work, because there's no kind of option to like pay different things. I'm just gonna use my debit.
Oh, was that 937? Let's go shopping up in this bitch. You would have been taking out this one already. 0.2, so 5. Yep, you've been taking that right here. Of the 2 partials. All right, unless you took something off up 0.25 as well. All right, it would have been 2 partials. Just so many, I don't even know which one I'm tracking. So this one is done. Let's delete that. Okay, this one. Yep, that's done. -2.5. Let's delete that. This one would be done too. I think we deleted that. So what are all these things, bro? Here's the one we're currently watching. Okay, so which one is this? Oh, it's this one. Doing this one, by the way. All right, hasn't come and taken you out. Your stop loss will be here. Wasn't looking great. Still not looking great. I would like for it to come take this low here. Then maybe some confidence in that trade will be restored. Until then, that's one. This would be the second one. Go 59. Yep, this is a solid sell here. Another one, which will restore some kind of confidence in his trade. Took M1 here at the key level. Drop down, market structure shift on the 15 seconds. Just fair value gap being respected. We like that. Well, now we've taken that low. So, yep, goes to 15. And yeah, now we're liking this sell trade here. We loving it, loving it, loving it. That's 4, bro. DJ, after this one, if it hit -1, I'm going to do a trade performance review. Because this is just too much, you know. That's just too much. Just relax. Relax your body. Fine, we gonna be just fine. We gonna be just every day, alright. Bow, 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 bow. So 2.5 has been like the average, all right, of these trades. One hit 4, but 2.5 has been the average. Cool, 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 cool. That's also obviously something I'm collecting data on, right? If we need to adjust to break even at 2.5, that's something that I'll let the data tell me to do. But for now, just look at my 2.5 for a star next to it. We'll be just fine. We will be just. Enough to wait for you. Warrior. We want plausible deniability, and that's it. Slapping you in the face. All right, so counter trend trade, so 50% of the trade will be off, and our stock will be moving to 75. And we're going to do a trade performance review, DJ, because that's enough for us here this morning. It's about controlling me, right? Mastering myself, not the market. I have to have something, a mechanism that tells me, hey, enough is enough. Go home. You're done here. On both sides, winning and losing. All right, DJ, what I did well this morning, right, is I showed up, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading session, next trading day. One thing that I will say is that I need to be more aware and draw out the lows because I did miss that 9:30 setup because I didn't have the correct low. I didn't even have the low on the chart, right? So I need to be better in my prep work, all right, before 9:30 kickoff, all right? So that's obviously also because I showed up here late as well, 5 minutes behind time. Obviously, if I was here at the 9:15 as I was supposed to be here, I would have given myself enough time to make sure that I had everything that I needed on the chart. Okay, so we'll segue into where I fell short, and that would be where I fell short, right? Not showing up here on time and not having everything that I need to have on the chart before 9:30 kickoff. -2, getting smashed there. 80% of the trade will be coming off, stock will be coming to 50%, 0.5. Yeah, so also where I fell short will be wake up time as well. But yeah, wake up time, not showing up here on time, not having everything I needed on the chart before 9:30 kickoff. Oh, a few things I fell short on today, right? um, Another thing, oh yeah, no, I don't think that's it for where I fell short. How I can improve for next day, next trading session, is show up, obviously wake up at a decent hour, show up on the chart on time, right? 9:15 is the least, least. So at least I give myself enough time to make sure I have everything I need to have on the chart for 9:30 kickoff. All right. Wake up at a decent hour. I could always do that as well, or go to sleep at a decent hour so I can wake up at a decent hour. Keep showing up, all right? Keep seeking excellence in everything that you do inside the market, outside the market. Don't let short-term adversity, series of losses, short-term losses, all right, deviate from what you got going on. Yeah, I think you nailed it, baby girl. You're there. Right now it's just about collecting more data and fine-tuning. And obviously the management is what we're trying to work out. But I think what I have right now, it's fine for now, obviously, until we collect more data. And that tells us something different, right? So that's one. And yep, can stay there. 15, go to 14. Check. But other than that, solid morning here. Solid morning. 4 fantastic trades that we watched, right? Each one giving us at least 2.5. Right? And allowing us to take something off and reduce risk on that. Solid stuff here, man. Very, very, very happy. Hoo-wee. DJ, I know you see the difference, right? I know you see the difference. No new. Oh, we do have news PM session. Actually, I was about to say no news of the PM session, but because that's what I'm used to saying. Yeah, not really. It's a lunch. 12 and 4:30. We have news going into lunch and PM session. Even if we didn't have news, all right, we've had news today, still making an optimal day to take a trade. So we'll be back here for the PM session kicking off at 1:25. PM session, I can allow myself to show up at that time, right? Because I already have the majority of the stuff on the chart already. So it's just a few things I need to iron out in the PM session. But morning session definitely need to kick off at 9:15. So I give myself enough time to make sure I have everything I need to have on the chart ready to go. But yeah, 40 something minutes into our morning session, and we were done for the day, right? We just stayed for an extra experience, and I think we got that. There's no need for us to be in this chart any longer than we need to be, right? So DJ on 2 p.m. session. I'm the trader here. All right. Signing out. Good luck. Good trading. Happy hunting.